Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to Vihan Pratik Institute of Education and welcome back to online mathematics classes. We are discussing chapter number 9, applications of trigonometry, in that exercise 9.1. The sixth question is, a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevations from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked through towards the building. Now the question is, there is a boy with height 1.5 meters, his height. There is a building or tower with height 30 meters. So the angle of elevation starts from the eye of the boy. Therefore, we have to add the height of the boy 1.5 meters from the ground. That is, to subtract, adding here at the boy in the sense subtracting at the tower. So we should subtract 1.5 meters from 30 meters. So the first position of the boy is at A. When he is looking towards the top of the tower, his angle is 30 degrees. He walks towards some distance towards the building. Then when he looks at the top of the tower, the angle changes to 60 degrees. The height of the boy remains same. The height of the boy is not changing. Only the angle is changing, because as he is walking towards the tower, the angle increases. When he walks away from the tower, the angle decreases. So the same thing we'll try to draw here. What we are trying to draw here is, there is a boy at this point. He is walking towards the tower. This is tower. The height of the tower is 30 meters. The height of the tower is 30 meters. But the height of the boy is 1.5 meters. So what we try to do, we try to reduce or we try to subtract this height from the total height 1.5 meters. So when we subtract 1.5 from the total height of the tower, 30 minus 1.5, the answer is 28.5 meters. So when the boy is looking from his eyes, the line of sight is the top of the tower. This is line of sight. And angle of elevation is 30 degrees. So let's name it as A. Name it as C. And this point as B, where it forms a horizontal with the eye. Horizontal with the eye. That's why it is angle of elevation. Okay. Now what this boy will do, he will walk for some time, and at this point he try to look again to the top of the tower. When he try to look the top of the tower, the angle changes to 60 degrees. The angle is increasing. So he has walked a distance of A to some point, we call it as point D. So he has walked from A to D. The angle changed. The angle now is become 60 degrees. Now what is asking, what the question is asking? Question is to find the distance he walks towards the building. So we need to find out the length or distance of horizontal. Horizontal distance we need to find out. That's it. Okay. So here opposite is given. Angle is given. We need to find out horizontal. So clearly we need to use tan theta. Tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent. Adjacent we need to find out. Opposite is given. Angle is given. So first we'll consider triangle ABC. So when we consider triangle ABC, in this triangle, tan 30 degrees. So first point, first position. So this is the first position of the boy. So from the first position, the angle is 30 degrees. Now tan 30 equals to opposite, the side opposite to the angle. This is the opposite side. Opposite side is BC. BC divided by horizontal. Adjacent is total distance from the boy to the foot of the tower, which is AB. We don't know AB. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equals to BC is 28.5 by AB. By AB. Okay, so I'll write it here. So from this, AB equals to, when we cross multiply, we get AB equals to 28.5 into root 3. So AB is 28.5 root 3. Now what we got? We got the total distance from starting point of the boy to the foot of the tower. We got AB. Okay. Next, consider triangle CDB or BCD. In triangle BCD, again tan only, tan 60 equals to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is BC, adjacent is BD. Now tan 60 is root 3 equals to BC 28.5 divided by BD. So BD equals to 28.5, this is 0.5 divided by root 3. So let's assume this is equation 1, named equation 1, this is equation 2. Now the total distance is AB. From the first position of the boy, this is the second position. This is the second position. From the first position to the second position, the angle has changed. The total distance he travelled is AD. So to find out AD, so AB, first we'll see AB. AB equals to AD, this distance, plus this distance, BD. Now the distance the boy has travelled is AD. So AD equals to total distance AB minus BD. So remember this, students. So this is the solution. So we don't know AD, we know AB. AB is equation 1. We know BD. BD is equation 2. We'll continue this in next slide. So let's see what is AB. AB is 28.5 root 3 and BD is 28.5 by root 3. So AD equals to AB minus BD. AB is 28.5 root 3. BD is 28.5 by root 3. Now taking 28.5 common, we get root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Now taking LCM, we get 28.5 root 3 into root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3, which will equal to 28.5 root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1 divided by root 3, which will equal to 28.5 into 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by root 3, which will equal to 28.5 into 2 is AD equals to 28.5 into 2 is 57. 57 by root 3. Now multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3. So AD equals to 57 into root 3 numerator, root 3 into root 3 denominator, which will equal to 57 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 will go 19 times in 57. So which will equal to 19 root 3 is the answer. So the distance the boy has traveled, the distance boy has traveled is 19 root 3. If you want to get more precise value, 19 into 3 meters. If you want to get more precise value, AD equals to 19 into the value of root 3 is 1.732. So 1.732. Now when you multiply this, you will get 39.9. Please go through the videos. Oh, this is the answer. Meters. Answer. Please go through the video, complete video. Practice by yourself. Do it. When you do it, you will get doubts. When you get doubts, please comment me on the channel or text me. I hope all of you have understood this. Thank you, students. Thank you.